Kind of a quick win I had recently with your advice on referrals. I had asked a current client, I just kind of come through for her in a big way. And so I used your framework for asking for a referral, and it went over really well. She didn't immediately jump on, providing one or saying, oh yeah, I know so-and-so, but again, it was received very well. So
Good.
I like how it went, and I'll be using that again. So yeah,
good.
that's awesome.
Yeah, and you're creating a little evangelist, right? So rather than press them for a name and number, which they're going to be begrudging to give you, you're creating somebody that's like if Larry asked me that way, man, any friend that's a friend of yours, Matt, would you just let them know how easy it was to do business with me, how great the service was here from, in Larry's case, Beltman, and how happy you are with the results? Then I'm probably going to remember that for a decade and be like, you got to call my guy Larry. So yeah, you're on the right track there. What else, buddy?
If you like this video, I got you. I'm going to hook you up. Click the link in my bio. I'm going to give you the closing mini masterclass. It's normally $300. I'm going to pay for everything. You're going to close a lot more business. You're going to make a lot more money. You're going to have a lot more fun. And you're going to be like, Matt Easton changed my life. And I'm going to be like, yes, I did. Did we just become best friends? And you're going to say, yes, we did. And then you and I are going to be best friends, and it'll be great. So click the link in my bio so we can be friends and you can close more business, and I'll cover all the cost. See you there.